everyone! Welcome back to Zara's Fun Zone. It's Sunday Funday, and today we're having an epic pool day with my friends. Are you ready for some fun? Let's dive right in. Say hi to my friends. This is Jolie, Jasmine, and Zoe. We've got some awesome pool games planned today, and you get to help us pick the winners. Let's go. Our first game is a pool treasure hunt. We're diving for these treasures. Whoever collects the most in 60 seconds wins. Who do you think will win? Comment below. Okay, time's up. How many did you think I found? The winner is Jolie. Did you guess right? Let me know. Next up is a water balloon toss. We're going to see who can catch the most balloons without popping them. Let's do it. Okay, how many do you think we caught? Comment your guess before I tell you. We caught 10. Did you guess right? Time for a floatie race. The first one to paddle across the pool wins. Who do you think will win? Cheer for your favorite. Woohoo! That was close. And the winner is Jasmine. Did your guess win? All these games made us hungry. Snack break time. By the way, thank you to all of our subscribers. You're the best. Before we go, it's time for the biggest splash contest. Watch closely and comment who you think made the biggest splash. That was so much fun. Who do you think won? Comment below. Thanks for hanging out with us on Sunday Funday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time on Zara's Fun Zone.
Thanks for watching, it's been the best. Sunday Funday, better than the rest. Like and subscribe, come back to play. See you soon on Zara's Fun Zone. Hooray!